Okay, y'all, here goes some information. I need for you to do your research. Planet X, Nibiru, Wormwood, the Destroyer, or the Red Dragon. This is the title that this planet carries. We have a whole solar system that is coming, what already is in our solar system, and it is approaching Earth. They're claiming asteroids. Yes, asteroids are coming along with this planet. This planet has 7 other planets with it, with at least 13 or better moons. It has an irregular orbit. It rises every day in the morning, 1 hour before the sun rises and 1 hour after the sun sets. The other planets are closer now, is why they keep clouding up the sky, and they use it as a weapon to disguise it. Chemtrails and HAARP work hand in hand. They are geoengineering the weather. Okay? Things to note. If you get this channel, start looking up at the skies. I am not a weatherman, but I have been chasing this thing for over 5 years. I know they time schedules when they take the planes out, spray to cover this thing up. They also have what they call an artificial sun simulator. It is a light that they place in front of the sun to cover up the planet. It is almost like, how would I put it? If a police flash a flashlight in your face, you cannot see what's in behind it. The technology that they're using to cover up this planet is very, very deep. In short, look for these times. From 8:30 to 9 o'clock, look for it to cloud up at least 6 times a month or better. It's increasing because it's getting closer. These are when these moons pass by, these other planets and these moons. The big one rises in the morning and sets in the evening like clockwork. It don't miss. Second, look at the times from 8:30 to 9, 10:30 to 11:30, 2:45, 3:15, 4:10, 4:20 to 5 o'clock. This is when the clouds will cover up the sun, and then you will see just in the area of the sun, it'll peek out like a little bitty ball. It is reflecting off of it. It is in behind the sun, but they have a sun simulator that tracks these planets. And every time a planet comes into orbit at those 3 times, those 4 times, they turn it up. This is why at sometimes you could look at the sun and then all of a sudden it gets bright real bad. They have a machine. It works with chemtrails and HAARP. HAARP is electromagnetic currents that they shoot trillions of volts in the sky. The chemtrails are shot out by the chemtrail planes, which have aluminum, borium oxide, and everything in it. We are in a pole ship and have been for the last 8 to 10 years. This is why we have massive earthquakes all over the world now. Do your research. This is why it's snowing in Baghdad, over there where it's hot and it's sand. Since when have you noted to snow in California? Look for the weather patterns to change and storms come from everywhere as the days go forward. This is what's happening now. Look up and research meteors all over the world. Earthquakes all over the world. We are in the debris trail of this planet. This planet has a wingspan of red dust that is over 100,000 miles wide. They're not telling the public. Saturn, the planet, if you know about planets, has a ring around it. Well, we got one around Earth. Do your research, just a little more information, and I just pray for everybody. It's closing in on us. Do your research. Iron Mountain is one of the bases where they have underground bases and cities already prepared to hide from this planet when it goes down. The 5G technology and that chip in contract tracing is only for the survivors who will survive this cataclysmic event, and they can herd us back up like cattle and start all over again. Y'all be careful out there and buckle up. It's finna get rough this year. And we're not even talking about politics. This is why they got the lockdowns. They don't want you to see it. And the electricity outages, they finna start happening. We're not gonna get struck by an EMP from no other country. It's that planet. It carries a magnetic pulse. Do your research. Don't just take my word for it. Even though I got the facts dead in your face in these videos that I got out here. Do your research. And if you pick up this channel, just look at these two videos and it will show you. I got them locked in with a 15-minute window. Go to number 28 on It's Here. I repeat, go to number 28, It's Here. And then go to number 56, It's Here. You will see 4 days prior or 5 days prior, it'll show it on the thing that I told you that this thing would cross and make a little bitty ball around 2:45 to 3 o'clock. I got lucky and caught them again at 2:57, and lucky enough to show them where they clouded up the sky, and I'm explaining it to you, and it shows that little bitty ball. From there, you'll start watching these videos if you pick up this video right here. Thank you and have a blessed day. I gotta go.